Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step where all demonstrations how to have the parental controls on any particular Gmail. Sometimes it's very beneficial, guys, when you have delivered to your children any smartphones or computers, PC, and I know you'd like to have the control that what's in the operating or what kind of the special operation has been operated by a special on particular device by your children's. You would like to monitor, observe and closely, then of course parental control is very important. So how do you have that? How do you enable on the particular emails? We will see live here. Tap on especially in the Chrome browser. Chrome browser check it out in that what's the Gmail is especially locked, and therefore of course we will click on here and we are on here. Just we will click on a more setting. When we tap on a more settings, and then just we will scroll up, and here we can see on there that is especially parental controls on family links. Just we will tap on it. So when we tap on it, and then yes, we will scroll, and all the details so that we can read and the guideline of that. And upon what we will do here, just simply we will click on a sign in. So sign in, we tap on here, and then keep here your family shipper online. Of course we will tap on it. So when we tap on a sign in, and then now the family link is being created, guys. How easily, especially, guys. Now that we can see here, sometimes this will be very beneficial also to rescue the particular emails. Now it has been created, and just waiting for especially. Now here is a section that is, does your child have a Google account? Yes, we will click on it. If it is, then yes, otherwise you will have to create, and then on that particular Gmail that you will have to deliver to that device. Yes, you will have to give store. So if already any special Gmail, so that Gmail you will have to enter. So here just we will tap on a next. Yes, to especially it's a section. Now here we can see there's a open setting to especially for Android device. So go to Google, then especially parental control, and for Chrome especially device. So go to especially people, and then the parental control. Follow the steps to the set of the parental control. Tap dance and response. So easily when we tap the one clicks, it will be a control. Yes, especially easily. Or say, guys, further I cannot show you, so because this is also the privacy concerns, but of course by similar status. So of course you will have to fulfill all the criteria and the guidelines. You will have to read it and report easily you can. So this is all about. To know more information about this, especially tutorials, and then of course there is the comments below the comment box. Plus would have to reply your query. So thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorials. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.